Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ginger tea. Peel fresh ginger and slice thinly. Start by boiling 2 cups of water, then add 2 tablespoons of sliced ginger. Simmer for 8 to 10 minutes depending on desired strength. Strain into a mug and add honey or lemon to taste. Sip slowly and enjoy the warming benefits and bright, spicy aroma that lifts the spirits. Gather ingredients and tools before you begin to keep the process smooth and enjoyable. Fresh ginger, a kettle, a knife, and a strainer will set you up. I recommend measuring ginger and water to control strength consistently. Prepare honey or lemon if you like sweetness or acidity. This little prep helps the brewing flow naturally and prevents overcooking or surprise bitterness while you heat and steep the ginger. Quick recommendation: if you love reading recipes in any light, the new Kindle Paperwhite is amazing for kitchen use and easy to wipe clean. It holds hundreds of cookbooks and has a glare-free screen that works near bright windows while you cook. If you want one, check the description for the link and pick up other deals that may help your kitchen routine. And now let's get back to the video. Keep the heat low so the ginger releases flavor slowly and pleasantly into the water. Stir once and cover the pot to trap aromatic steam while simmering. Taste after 8 minutes and add another minute or 2 for more intensity. Removing the pot from heat a minute before straining can mellow the profile. Serve immediately for best warmth, or chill and serve over ice for a refreshing cold version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.